Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today I want to take your attention to a loop condition, basically a chain reaction which is happening due to AI layoff, and you will understand what is actually happening right now and how it will hurt us in multiple ways through this entire PPT I have created. So just stay with this video, and by the end of this video you will understand how actually this cycle is going right now. So if I take you to the situation right now, what is happening is, so as of now we treat us as a tier 1 because we are directly working with tech right now, and due to this AI revolution right now, the tier 1 basically falls because some of us get layoff due to this AI revolution right now going on, and the people are working for 10 to 15 years or 20 years. When they lose their job, what they do is they already have a backup, like a finance, they already have a budget over here, they have a investment done already. So now for their survival, basically what they will do is they are already got fired from technical job, and now they have experience of 15 to 25 years, and now their age is around 45 to 50 and 55. Now they cannot do the same job again. It will be hard for them to even get a job, but they cannot go to entry level job, intermediate job after experience of 25 years, 20 years. So what they will do is they will shift from tier 1 to tier 2. What does it mean is, they have a good budget, they have a income saving basically, and now they will go for the business like a small scale business. So you can see it is called tier 2. So what happen is, the tier 1 don't disappear, it will just move, it just flow from tier 1 to tier 2 now. So displaced white collar workers use their saving to buy into a safe physical market. So what will happen is, corporate IT worker, when they get lay off, capital investment we already have, and you already have some of the investment because you have already worked for 15 years in this industry. So now what you will do is, you will go to a safe physical market, which will be a restaurant or cafe or a shoes shop or whatever, the clothing, anything you can think of. So what will happen is, the existing market over here, the existing market which people are into a tier 2 right now, which are working on this physical market right now, they don't have that much saving, or they don't have that much capital to invest and to give discounted. But now when you enter into this market with a huge budget or capital which you saved in last 15 to 20 years, now what you will do is, you will create a new store in the front of same which is existing one, where you will give a huge discount. You will take their employees by giving a salary hike as well, and you will do is, you will break that market, tier 2 market. In the competition, what you will do is, you will give huge discount, you will also hire their employees which are already experienced in that tier 2, and now you give a tough competition, and you will acquire all the you can say customer of that existing market. So now what will happen is, tier 1 people has just downgrade that self into tier 2 and acquire the entire tier 2 section. What will happen with the tier 2 now? Tier 2 will move to the lower level, which is tier 3. So what you can see is, it is a chain reaction which will goes into this one. Like, now tier 2 will go to something which is called as a street level cafes or vans over there. So what will they do is, they will use their entire saving to create you can say a food van or a small cafe in a roadside, and they will acquire the market of tier 3. So likewise, you are seeing, you're able to understand what I'm trying to say is, the tier 1, when they got layoff from their jobs, they acquire the tier 2 market, and they push away the tier 2 existing candidates, or you can say the players, out of their market. And now tier 2 will come to the tier 3 section, where they will basically push away the existing players, and now it's a chain reaction. So you are seeing, so now the chain reaction will work. So what will happen is, the tier 3 which are just surviving with the income, they are just creating some stuff on a roadside, and they are getting daily wages from that one. Now their market is disrupt, and they are pushed to a poverty. So they are below the poverty now, and this will come as you can say a poor community will increase. So you can say basically, so you can see the system will break, because if you take estimation before AI revolution, if there was out of 100 there are 30% poverty in a country. Now due to AI revolution and this chain reaction happens, entire players will come under a poverty. It will increase to 60% or 50%, so 20% is increase in the poverty. So what will happen is now system has to come into to resolve this one, basically the government. So government will see the allocation of budget they were giving to 30% of the poverty basically. Now they have to increase it. Because the people have also increased. So what will they do is they will increase the taxes. So what will happen is they will increase the taxes on whom? They will increase the taxes on tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So then they can finance the poverty basically. So what will happen is they will help the poor people by giving them food and everything like that one. So this is chain reaction. You understand, when you move from tier 1 to tier 2 and tier 3, and the tier 3 peoples are moved into a poverty. Now that poverty is a burden on system, and system need fund to support them, to make them survive. So what they will do is they will increase the taxes on tier 1, tier 2. So it's a loop condition you are seeing right now. So you will be infected by the AI revolution as well as the taxes as well. So the cost of the catches, government will require massive basically they require fund to support the snapback. Basically to fund the bottom, taxes must be increased on the top tier and the AI corporation basically. And this is a closed system basically. You can see it's a closed system. It will come back to us only. So competition versus survival. Right now we are competing basically. When we lose our job, we will go to the competition with a tier 2 or below us, but the last tier will fight for their survival. So you can see over here is one description, many layers. So you fall from tier 1 is not only your loss, it become a loss of everyone below you who is dependent on the market you entered, the price you lowered and the worker you pulled away. So this is a condition. This is a condition right now. It's a loop condition, and you might see it in the upcoming years when you will see and you will able to understand what is actually happening right now. So the only favor we can do to stop this chain reaction is to make sure we are good in our job basically, and we not lose our job basically. We make sure we learn AI. We make sure we will not lose our job basically, because if we lose our job and move to other market basically, we will disrupt that market, and then it will goes into a chain reaction and everything will disrupt.